Hello and welcome to Saras's classes. Today we are going to solve one problem from Crystal Mathematics at 10 plus 2 level, which is known as very well known book, which is Tomato. And this book is published by Indian Statistical Institution to help the students in their preparation for ISI entrances. So let's get into the problem. Here we are given a function which is x cube minus 3x squared plus 4, and we have to firstly study the derivative and then we have to sketch the graph fx. Okay. So the given function fx is x cube minus 3x squared plus 4. Therefore, f prime x is 3x squared minus 6x, which results in 3x multiplied by x minus 2. Okay. Now we can say that f prime x is greater than 0 for all x minus infinity to 0, that is minus infinity to less than 0. F prime x is less than 0 for all x strictly greater than 0 to less than 2, and lastly f prime x is again positive for all x greater than 2. Okay. Now before starting the drawing of the required graph, we are first write the table of values correspondingly for x and fx. This table helps us to find the pattern in the required graph. So we take some values of x like minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and correspondingly we get minus 16, 0, 4, 2, 0, and 4 also. Okay, so these are the values of x and fx. Now we have to draw the required graph. So first of all, take the coordinate axis. So this is the required coordinate axis. Okay, this is the origin, this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Now take some individual points like minus 1 on the x-axis, plus 2 on the x-axis. Now as we can see that for minus infinity to 0, that is strictly less than 0, the slope is strictly positive. So the values for minus 2, minus 1, we get negative values of fx, but the slope is strictly positive. Therefore, we get a graph looks like this. Okay. Now for values strictly greater than 0 and strictly less than 2, we have a slope of fx which is negative, but the values are positive. Therefore, we get a graph looks like this. Now again, for values strictly greater than 2, the slope is again positive, and the values of fx is also positive. Therefore, we get a graph looks like this. So this is the required graph of ours. Okay. So we have solved the problem, and that's all for today. We Sodas's classes provide different study materials and mock test series papers for ISI entrances, so you can join us. And for further details, you can check our website also, which is www.sodasasclasses.com. And please subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notification first. Thank you very much.